Can you crack IELTS without studying? Well, I cannot answer it by saying yes or no. However, I am sure that you will be crystal clear after watching this video that whether you should study too hard for this exam or you don't need much preparations before this exam in order to crack it. Hello friends, I am Navdeep. So let's start the video without wasting much time. Now, there are two types of students. First, who are already very proficient in this language. Second, who always stuck at 5 bands, 5.5 and even at 6. And sometimes 6 bands are not sufficient for individuals. Let's talk about first type of candidate who already has an amazing English. There are two reasons that why you are already good in English. Firstly, it depends on your schooling, like you have grown up studying in an English medium school and you know that you focused on English subject very well during your school time, and now you don't need to worry about your IELTS exam. You just collect all the right information regarding all the modules, find out your requirement of bands, attempt a lot of practice tests. After that, analyze that you are reaching your requirement or not, and then finally fill your exam after a strong observation about your capability. Second reason that why you are already good in English is that you already have spent a lot of time on preparations in order to crack this exam. Now you are so close to your goal because of your dedication. You just need to observe where you are lacking, what's your weaknesses, knowing it, working on it, and that's it. You will crack this exam. Second type of candidates who always stuck at 5, 5.5 bands, even at 6. Now, if you're one of them and you are thinking about cracking this exam without any study, don't waste your time thinking about that you can crack this exam without any preparation. Admit it that your English is not effective yet, so you will not fill your exam until your concepts of English don't get clear and become stronger. You need to do a lot of hard work. You need to spend at least 2 months with full concentration. Make sure that you have subscribed my channel and I will guide you in a right way. Now let's talk about those people who strongly believe that it totally depends on our luck that we crack our exam or not. Let's clear one thing, that can a candidate clear this exam who never study English, who doesn't even familiar with the style and process of this exam? The answer is very clear, no. Obviously, the person who doesn't even know English, there is no good luck for that person. He or she is not going to experience any sort of miracle. So don't keep this doubt in your mind that if you don't prepare yourself for exam, then your luck will save you during your exam in examination hall or during your bad result. Many people lie and demotivate others by saying that they cleared this exam without any preparation. Don't care about them. If you don't introduce yourself with the type of questions, strict timing and atmosphere of the examination hall, then definitely you will lose your bands. Now, if you have incredible English, you are quite comfortable with this language, that's why you are very confident and you do not introduce yourself with the test format of IELTS exam. In case of speaking, even if you are so fluent in this language, you wouldn't have any idea where to stop, when you need to give shorter answers, when your answer should be longer. In listening, even if you can catch every tricky word in difficult accent in audio, you will lose bands if you never did practice of listening test. Even I think you can lose very easy point in listening test. Similarly with the writing and reading, these are the most stressful module of IELTS exam. These are not difficult, but time is quite limited, just 1 hour, so one can manage his or her time just after doing a lot of practice. Okay, this was the all which I wanted to say. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more videos. Share this video along with your friends, and if you have any suggestion, then let me know in comments.